Hey, Molly! Molly, come here! Molly, come here! Shit, I have the wrong one!
Okay, I don't want
You said you're hot. Come here.
I'm not gonna walk towards the hall.
Come give me a hug.
No.
Damn it.
Fix the garage. That's what I'm trying to do.
Come help me.
No! Fix the grill!
Come help me.
On the flower. Pick it up. No, he'll make it. Don't do it. No.
Come save him.
No, he's gonna hurt. Torturing the dog. Trying to bite it. Let him off the chain and see what he does.
Come take him off.
No.
Come take him off the chain.
Anybody's this car.
I don't care whose car it is.
Can't move. Hands are wet. Take the dog off the chain.
Come take him off the chain and I won't squirt you, I promise.
That's a lie.
It's not a lie.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's a huge lie.
Come let the dog off the chain. Look at him. He's sitting there like, oh, help me! Help me! Help! Help! There's water!
Make him get on deck.
Come help him.
Not funny. That's like dog torture.
Come help him.